Hello dear students, this is a new topic, mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between the fungus and the roots of a plant. Mycorrhizal roots often show woolly covering of the fungus hyphae on the surface and remain in the upper layers of the soil where the organic matter is abundant. A fungus can form association with the roots of many plants, and the roots of a plant in turn can form association with many fungi. Mycorrhiza are basically divided into two types. The two types of mycorrhiza are ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. So, what are they actually? In ectomycorrhiza, the bulk of the fungus grow over the surface as a mantle. The only part of it lives in the intercellular spaces of the cortex of the root. Endomycorrhizae. In this type, the fungus grows inside the cortex of the root with some intercellular hyphae tips. In some forms of endomycorrhizae, the fungal hyphae develop some spatial organs called vesicles with the root's cortical cell. This type of mycorrhiza are called vesicular arbuscular mycorrhizae or VAM. The VAM occur in large number of crop plants. Vesicles and the arbuscules help in absorption of nourishment from cortical cells. A single endomycorrhizal fungus can form association with the roots of a number of plants. Let's look into the importances of mycorrhizal association. Mycorrhiza help in absorption of minerals from the soil and provide to the roots. They help in increased absorption of water. These produce growth inducing hormone. In the absence of fungus, Pinus and Betula show growth despite of providing all type of nutrients. Mycorrhiza enables the plants to grow in mineral deficient soil, saline soil and unfavorable pH and temperature. In case of orchids, the fungus absorbs nourishment from outside and delivers to the germinating seeds as the same is devoid of stored food. Mycorrhiza have antimicrobial substances which protect the roots from parasitic fungi and harmful bacteria by secreting the antimicrobial substances. So, my dear students, this was all about mycorrhiza. I hope you have got some information about this topic and found it quite interesting. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.